Yax, the easiest way to create a virtual agent for the Google Assistant in Amazon Alexa. In this tutorial, we're going to make our agent more interesting and memorable by adding in additional sounds.
Thunder.
All of the virtual agent's recordings are available to be reused in other answers. When you upload an audio file, Yax will convert it to the formats that Google and Amazon require. Make it easy to find audio files later, by giving them names and types. Your greeting is a great place to add a sound effect that identifies your agent.
Hi there, I can answer a few questions about myself, like my name and where I'm from. So, what can I help you with today?
Use the SSML editor to add audio files anywhere. URLs are available for each of the agent's audio files.
Hi there, I can answer a few questions.
And now your agent is more memorable. Create your own virtual agent for the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa at yax.co.